Hey you guys, I wanted to talk to you about Poshmark again because it's so fun to shop and sell on there, and it's an easy app to use. I got 2 orders to ship for tomorrow. The post office provides these and all kinds of different sizes boxes, and you just go pick it up and drop it off at the post office and your orders are shipped. I enjoy shopping on there as well as selling my gently used items or things that the kids outgrow, or shoes or purses, makeup. It's a really great place and everyone's nice. And download the app using the link in my description. Click on the link and download it and join the Posh train. And this video is sponsored by Poshmark. And Posh on!